How to add outlines section in Google Docs. In this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can show your outlines in Google Docs. So let's start with the video, guys. Before we start, I request you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So let me open Google Docs. Okay, guys, so here we are. This is my documents, and if you want to show my outlines in your left section here in this site, you can simply go to the go to the view, and here you can see the option called show the outlines, or you can also use the shortcut keys control plus alt plus a plus control plus alt plus h, okay, for showing and hiding. Okay, so just click on this. So you can see outline has been showing here. Now here you can see there is a I have data here, but there is nothing is showing in outline, because in outline you can see only headlines. Okay, so if you want to add some if you want to add headlines or title here, you have to make sure your content has headlines tag. Okay, so select that title or make it title, make it title, or you can make it heading 1 or heading 2, so it will be showing here, it will be show here. Okay, so I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.